Hello my food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the juiciest, most flavorful oven-baked drumfish you've ever had. Tender, flaky and full of fresh herbs and spices. For those who are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share to your loved ones. As you can see, our fish, look at how juicy, tender that looks. Enjoy the video. Let's get in the process of cleaning our fish. Here I'm using some lemon to clean the fish. You can as well use lime. Some people do use salt or vinegar. Whatever you choose to use, this is very important because it will help to take out the fishy smell. So here I'm going to squeeze my lemon all over my fish, open up the cuts and also squeeze this inside, and also use the lemon to scrub my fish. When the fish was perfectly clean, I went ahead to pat the fish completely dry. This will help it to bake evenly. Also went ahead to cut all the fins to have a complete clean fish. Then I went ahead to score the skin with shallow cuts. This is to allow the seasoning to get deep inside. And I did this on every side of the fish. Now we have everything put together that we'll be using for the marinade. We have here some pepper, some black pepper, white pepper, some celery, green onion, basil leaf and parsley, purple onion, and some habanero. So I'm going to marinate this fish into two sections. Firstly, in the bowl with all the dry seasoning, I mixed everything together and I'm going to use this to gently rub all over my fish and through all the cuts. So as you can see, this is all the dry seasoning that is put in the bowl. And I'm going to rub this all over the fish. Let it go through the cuts. And I'm going to set this aside to sit for a little while. So make sure the seasoning goes all through the fish. At this time, the first phase of the seasoning is completed with a dry marinade. And one thing I forgot to emphasize is how fresh this fish is. Look at it, see for yourself. Look at how fresh that fish is. So the first phase of seasoning is done, and let's proceed with the second phase. Let me prep the second set of marinade, which consists of all the greeneries, all the herbs. The parsley, the green onion, the basil leaf, the purple onion, add some water and I'm going to blend this to a smooth paste and cook this at low heat. Here's our green marinade that is all ready, and I'll proceed to add this all over my fish. As you can see, I'm going to rub this gently and also let it penetrate through the cuts and into the fish. So I'm going to rub this gently, letting it penetrate into the fish, through the cuts and all over the fish. This is what is going to give us that juicy, flaky and flavorful baked fish. Now that my fish is perfectly marinated with both the dry and the wet seasoning, it's time for us to put it in the oven. And we're going to bake this at 360 degrees, or you can also broil at low heat. When my fish was getting ready, I went ahead to make some fried plantains, which is what I'm going to be pairing the fish with. After baking for 40 to 45 minutes, my fish was all ready. Look at that. Golden brown, flaky, juicy, the fish looks. I'm going to garnish this with some of the green seasoning to give it that shine, juicy look. Look at that. Beautiful, flavorful, juicy. And I'm going to pair this with some fried plantains, some bobolo, some hot sauce, some onion. You can pair it with whatever you choose to, but however you choose to, this is very yummy, I'll tell you. If you enjoy this juicy oven baked drumfish recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more deliciousness. Seafood dishes, and share this video with someone who loves good food. See you in the next one. But I'm going to proceed in tasting this fish. I'm going to give it a cut to show you how juicy the fish looks. As you can see, here is the big cut. Look at that. Isn't this juicy? Don't you like what you see? Please do come back to Foster's Kitchen for more deliciousness. Thank you.